subscribe to Profencial Paramvir and hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Let's move on to the video, guys.
What's good, everybody? Welcome to Profencial Paramvir, and I hope you all are staying safe. Today's video is on the second part of the chapter, the fundamental unit of life, where we'll be discussing about cells and their discovery, cell theory, compound microscope का structure, organisms के बारे में we'll be discussing, and we'll be having lot many quiz questions. Let's get started with this video, but before moving on, let me show you my schedule of the week. So guys, this week 3 videos are going to come on my channel on 14th, 17th and 18th July. So today is 14th July and you are watching this video on the fundamental unit of life part 2. On Saturday, the video on why color of her hair is black, short video will be coming. And on Sunday, maths puzzle part 2, Sunday special video will be coming. So make sure you are not missing on any of this video. So guys, I have divided this chapter into 5 parts. We have already done the overview of this chapter, and now we are doing the second part of this chapter, where we'll be discussing about cells, cell theory, the structure of compound microscope. So guys, what is a cell? What is a cell? Cell is a structural and functional unit of life. What is meant by structural and functional? Is you are seeing this cell? This cell is in proper structure. The cell is in proper structure. Each part of the cell perform different functions. Each part of the cell perform different functions. Okay, so that is why cell is a structural, because it has proper structure, and functional unit of life because its part perform many different functions. Okay, who did the discovery of cells? Who did the discovery of cells? Let's see. In the year 1665, the scientist Robert Hooke discovered dead cells. Robert Hooke discovered dead cells in the year 1665. Okay. How he discovered dead cells? Now let us see. He examined a thin slice of cork. What is cork? Cork is bark of He examined a thin slice of cork under self-designed microscope, and he resembled honeycomb. He called these little boxes as cells. Okay. Now let me explain you what all is written here. Guys, he examined bark of the tree. Bark of the tree, that is cork. He resembled cork as a structure of honeycomb. This is a honeycomb structure. He resembled cork of this structure, okay? And then he found dead cells. And he called these little boxes, these boxes as what he called these little boxes as cells. Cells. I hope you understood. Okay. Cell is a Latin word for a little room. Guys, this is an important 1 marker MCQ or a very short question you can say. Cell is a Latin word for a little room. Who did the discovery of the cell? Anton van Leeuwenhoek in the year 1674 discovered living cell. This Robert Hooke discovered dead cells, and Antony van Leeuwenhoek discovered living cells for the first time in the year 1674. He observed the living cells in the pond water. Now let us see how he discovered living cells in the pond water. This, he saw free organisms moving in pond water. He saw that organisms in his self-designed microscope. From then, he discovered the living cells in the year 1674. They were free living organisms, right? Okay, more to know. In the year 1839, Purkinje coined the term protoplasm for the fluid substance in a cell. Yes, protoplasm is the fluid substance in the cell. This is the protoplasm. We'll be studying about protoplasm in our upcoming videos. This coined means he used this term. Used the term for the very first time. For first time. Okay. Protoplasm is the fluid substance in a cell. Now let us see who proposed the cell theory. This is a very important topic of this chapter. So guys, in the year 1838 and 1839, the cell theory was proposed by Sheldon and Schwann. What they stated? They stated that cells are structural and functional unit of life. I told you about this in the beginning of this video, and they stated that all living organisms are made up of cells. Okay. Now, who found the modern cell theory? Rudolf Virchow found the modern cell theory. Rudolf Virchow found the modern cell. He expanded the cell theory by stating that cells arise from pre-existing cells. Guys, he stated that the cells arise from pre-existing cells. Okay, so guys, now let us see the structure of compound microscope. What is a compound microscope? Guys, this is a compound microscope. This is eyepiece. This is body tube. This is revolving nose piece. What is a revolving nose piece? It is used for 20x, 30x, 40x. It is used for magnification, right? Magnification. It is used for magnification. Okay. Here is fine adjustment knob. What is fine adjustment knob used for? It is used to zoom, and coarse adjustment knob is also used to zoom. But fine adjustment knob is used to zoom more, coarse zoom less. There is a mirror. This is the base of this compound microscope, and this is condenser, substage, objective lens. Guys, here objective is kept. Here is eyepiece. So now let us come to the last topic for the day, that is type of organisms. There are two types of organisms, multicellular and unicellular. Yes, unicellular organisms are made up of single cell. Unicellular organisms are made up of single cell, and multicellular organisms are made up of many different cells. In unicellular organisms, there is no division of labor. In multicellular organisms, there is division of labor. What is division of labor? Guys, division of labor is each cell perform different functions. Okay, and in unicellular organisms, only one cell perform different functions. Only one cell perform different functions. One cell perform different functions. Okay, and in multicellular organisms, there is division of labor, which means there is different cells for different functions. Okay. Unicellular organisms have shorter lifespan, and multicellular organisms have longer lifespan. Example of unicellular organisms are bacteria, amoeba, etc. Multicellular organisms के example are plants, animals, humans, etc. So guys, it's the time to play some quiz questions. Here's the first quiz question. Who did the discovery of cells in the year 1665, or who discovered the cells in 1665? Here are the options. Leeuwenhoek, Rudolf Virchow, Robert Hooke, none. In the year 1665, Robert Hooke discovered dead cells. Dead cells for the very first time. The answer is Robert Hooke. Who coined the term protoplasm? Who used the term protoplasm? Here are the options. Purkinje, Sheldon, Schwann, or none. Purkinje coined the term protoplasm for the very first time. Okay guys, with this we come to the end of this video, and I have a question of the day for all of you. Here is the question: why the cells are called fundamental and the structural unit of life? Justify your answer in 50 to 60 words. You have to comment your answer. And the people who will give me the right answer, I will give the shout out to them in my next video. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment how did you find this video and was it helpful for you or not. Don't forget to turn on the bell notifications if you want to get each and every update regarding my channel. Guys, and I am giving notes for absolutely free of cost. You can join my Telegram channel. The link is in description below. My Telegram link is, I'm writing it here, tinyurl.com/Profencial Chat. So you can go to this link, or link is also available in the description below, and I'll be uploading the notes of this video there with my handwritten notes. Okay, so bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.